guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. In this video, I will be doing the HTML coding day 3 of my channel. So let's start. Let's open the Solution app. In this app, we will be doing coding. So let's start. Where is HTML? Yes. So we have done till 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. We have done till module 1 quiz. Now let's start with HTML basics. So let us start this. HTML headings. HTML includes 6 levels of headings which are ranked according to importance. These are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. The following code defines all of the headings. So let us see the code. Okay, like this. This is heading 1, like this. To make the letters big or small, you can use it. If you use heading 1, then there is too much bold letters in the web page, and if you use heading 6, there is much small text. So let's continue. What tags are used to indicate headings? H1 to H6. Yes, that's correct. Horizontal lines. To create a horizontal line, use the HR tag. Okay, horizontal lines. Okay, like this. HR. Okay, I understand. How do you create a horizontal line in HTML? So the answer is HR. Yes, that's correct. Comments. The browser does not display comments, but they help document and the HTML and add descriptions, reminders and other notes. Okay, your comment goes here. This is a comment. As you can see, the comment is not displayed in the browser. So the comment is not displayed in the browser. Okay. So let us start. Make the text an HTML comment. Okay. Let's start. So I learned that what you have to do in this. Let us again see this. Where is that headings? 1 minute. That, yes, headings. Comments. Okay. Like this one. And then what we have to do then? Yes, like this. Then here we have to do like this. Yes, that's correct. Finally we did it. Lesson completed. You just learned headings, lines, comment. Don't forget to test your knowledge with practice. Okay. Let us start with paragraphs. To create a paragraph, simply type in the P element with its opening and closing tags. Okay. So the P means paragraph. Okay. So this is a paragraph. Okay. Drag and drop from the option below to create paragraphs. Okay. So here we need to like this. This is the closing tag because it is ending, and this is the starting tag. Yes, that's correct. Continue. Single line break. Use the br tag to add a single line of text without starting a new paragraph. Okay. What tag is used to create a line break without an extra space between the text and blocks. Line break. No, bruh. Yes, that's correct. Single line break. Okay. The bruh element has no end tag. Okay. But what we have to do? This is a line break. Where we have to write bruh. This is the paragraph and this is the closing tag. Yes, that's correct. Lesson completed. You just learned paragraph. Don't forget to test your knowledge with practice. We continue. Let's start with text formatting. Okay. So what we have to do in text formatting? In HTML, there is a list of elements that specify text style. Formatting elements were designed to display special types of text. Okay. So this is bold, this is big, this is italic, this is small, this is strong, this is subscript, this is subscript, this is inserted, this is deleted. There are so many elements. Okay, let's continue. Which two tags below make the text visually bold? B and C. That's correct. Formatting elements. Okay. Fill in the correct tags. I think this you can't edit. Important text. But wait, you have to do something here. This and strong. And what does sub? And then what we have to do then? Sub. Yes, that's correct. Lesson completed. You just learned text formatting. Don't forget to test your knowledge with practice. So our today's video is over. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye. And if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.